kasi yun nga, competition na, nagiging
Mas mahigpit. Swerte tayo, may friends tayo talaga sa loob na parang we're so
take
willing to help
advantage
each
of our
other.
friendship. Alam mo yun, huwag mong alisin, huwag mong bigyan ng ibang meaning na pag hindi tayo nagsasama, ay wala na ako. See, inferiority na naman.
Oh, and then first thing, di ba, sa pagpili ng grupo, di ba sabi mo, oh, kayo ni Dan lang to. Sabi mo, di ba? Sabi mo, parang kayo ni Dan lang. Isipin mo, trio, ang unang isipin natin lahat, tayo makasama, tayong tatlo. Nobody else. We could have had Lizelle, we could have had anybody else. But we wanted to be together. Tayong tatlo wanted to be together. Kahit anong mangyari man. Diba? Anong mangyari, anong resulto. But we can't let each other down by making this the wrong choice. We made this as a choice. No! Huwag mong isipin yan. Kasi alam mo, that's the growing. Diba sabi ni Dr. Randy? This is the growth.
Oh, if ito, kung inisip mo magiging malalabas sa TV, hindi mo na sana ginawa. Diba? Instead of, kailangan ko mag-focus, kailangan ko concurrent para din sa kanila. Huwag mo lang isipin ganun. Tayong lahat, isip tayo. Kung may problema, sabihin mo kagad, diba sabi ko na sa iyo yun. Instead na maganon ka, sabihin mo, bro, may problema ako, ano. Huwag mo antayin kasi yung mentality namin yan, pag nagaganon ka, hindi ka na namin papansinin. Yun supposed to be. Ito sabi ni Mr. C.
Sabi ni Mrs. C.
Pabayaan niyo siya.
Leave it alone.
Oh,
It's so hard.
Gusto mo yun?
It's so hard to do that because we're your friend.
Mahirap. Hindi yun mahirap dahil naapektuhan yung problema, naapektuhan yung practice. Hindi naapektuhan yung friendship natin. Diba? Yung focus natin para bukas. Kaya kailangan mag-focus tayong lahat.
Kaya mo to. Kaya natin to. Kahit pause, I'm singing right now so that we can get it right.
Hindi naman kailangan kumanta. Kahit lip-sync lang. Open your mouth lang.
I'll sing na lang. I'll do the singing also.
Oh my God. Kumakanta nga siya din kahit paos. Ano yun? Parang ganun. Do it for the team. Bro, do it for the team. Think of us as like we're thinking of you.
We are a team. Oh, anong sinasabi mo? We are a family. Diba?
Focus, bro. Sige na. Oh, kanina pa ako napupukus. Ang dagdagan ng ginagdagan nyo.
Eh, kasi naman. Si unfair naman. You can't say it's always us.
Go. Sige.
Sige, let's focus.
Focus, bro. Oh, sige.
Ready? Let's do this. 5, 6, 7. It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you. But when we are apart, I feel it too. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. With or without you. Hey. Baby, I don't understand just why we can't love us. Things are getting out of hand. Try too much, but baby, we can't win. Let it go. If you want me, girl, let me know. I am down on my knees. I can't take it anymore. It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you. It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you. And when we are apart, I feel it. And when we are apart, I feel it too. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. And remember this. And no matter what I do, diba? I feel. Remember? What I do, I feel the pain. And 2, 3, 4, without you. Okay?
Yung part nyo, kantahin nyo. Tapos, ulit tayo. Ano muna, hindi masyadong... ano gusto nyo? Fast na kaagad?
Which one? Which part?
Hindi, yung ano natin, kanta natin. Yung pacing ng kanta natin.
Yung normal. Para sanay na tayo.
Huwag nyo yung kantahin pag hindi nyo part, ha?
Okay.
Kailangan lang...
Oo. 5, 6. It's tearing up my heart when